Further about locking axis, for example, when locking X and Y axis, one can measure the window height, the distance from the window, or such stuff in the distance from floor to ceiling and so on. For doing that, we'll have to open up panorama view and click again 3D points, then go to front view, and then you'll have lines with the specific distance between floor and window and then ceiling. Then the next tools are the utilities. Here we have set Z. For example, in this case, there is a floor plan at the height of 5.6 meters. So if the user wants to set the Z coordinate to a specific value, it should use this option. It's useful when working with multiple stories building and there are multiple floor plans, and that has to be digitalized at different heights, and you can transfer the lines at that specific height. In this case, again, created a couple of lines with the fix Z, set Z option on, and all the lines were now created at this height. The next tool in the Utilities tab is the 2D option. This is useful when working with the native tools. For example, when wanting to create polylines, if this option is not on, message will appear that we need to input a 2D point. So for transferring polylines or using other native tools such as arcs, circles, and so on, we would need to activate the 2D option and then start creating. And as you can see, when this option was on, we were able to create polylines. The last one is the XY/Z option, which allows the user to transfer XY coordinates separately of the Z coordinate, meaning that we will need to pick 2 points in order to transfer coordinates. So the first picked point will transfer the XY coordinates, and with the second clicked point, we will transfer the Z coordinate. So this will allow us to better and more precisely transfer the information from origins to the CAD platform. In this case, there are some stairs that we want to have a precise height. So what you're doing is clicking on 2 points on each stair. This is useful for specific use cases, can be used for stairs creation, can be used for curbside digitizing, and other use cases that might arise. So now, after creating all the stairs by clicking 2 points for each point or for each coordinate transferred, we can go in the front view. And then you can see that the stairs were created at a different height, and the height were taken from the second picked point and not from the first, because sometimes it can be that we are clicking at a different height, so this allows a more precise transfer of the coordinates.